In this video on isotopes, we will be dealing with how to calculation of isotopes when you have the ratio. Now, you can see chlorine consisting of two isotopes of mass number 35 and 37 in the ratio of 3:1 has an atomic mass of this. Calculate the relative abundance of the isotope of mass number 37. This is so easy. The first mass is 35. The second has a 37 mass. And the ratio is 3:1. So that means the first one has a ratio of 3. The second one has a ratio of 1. Now they asked you to calculate the relative abundance of the isotope of mass 37. That means this second one, right? With the ratio of 1. So first of all, what you have to do is the total ratio is 3 plus 1, which will give you 4, right? Now for you to calculate the relative abundance, it's simple. All you need to do is this ratio all over the total ratio times 100. So the answer is 1 all over 4 times 100%, which will give you 25%. Now if I ask you to calculate the abundance of the one of 35, the one that has the mass number of 35, is simply 1 all over, is simply 3 all over 4 times 100%, right? So whatever you got should be the answer. So this is it for how to calculate isotope given the ratio of the two masses.